Hi everyone, welcome back to Love Sundays. Today I'm going to talk about having the Mavic Mini for 2 weeks, and I'm just going to chat about some of the things that I've found really good and some of the things that I've struggled with a little bit. Let's do it. Now, straight off the bat, I love this thing. I think it's absolutely fantastic. I've probably had about 10 flights in it so far. And so far so good. Everything that I've done has been nice and smooth. Thankfully, I've watched lots of sort of YouTube videos on how to adjust the settings and everything. So to begin with, I found the gimbal movement too fast. So obviously watching the YouTube videos on how to obviously slow that down, everything's made it a lot smoother and a nicer footage. One of the things I do need to do is actually slow down and take my time. With my previous drone, which was a cheaper one, I only used to get about 16 minutes worth of flight, whereas now, because it's a full half an hour, I'm kind of rushing around trying to get all the shots. But what I should be doing is sort of staying up in the air, adjusting the ISO, adjusting the shutter speed, and just actually getting a better lit shot rather than something that's overexposed or anything like that. Some of the pros that I found from having the drone as well is confidence with flight. It's nice and steady, and I feel very confident flying it. I don't worry about it if it goes out over the water or anything like that. It's extremely easy to use, user-friendly, fantastic. One of the things that I have struggled with has been the range. I've been sort of flying out, a fair distance away, and then it loses signal, and then it returns home. No problems with returning home whatsoever, but it's just the signal that I'm losing. I'm not sure whether that's down to where I am in Cornwall or whether I've just got it set up wrong, but if you can think of anything, just leave a comment and just let me know. Other than that, Mavic Mini, reasonable price, absolutely love it. Just wish that we had better conditions all year round so I could actually use this. I'd probably say out of the 2 weeks, every day that we've had low winds, I've taken it out. And here's some footage from Gilly Beach in Falmouth a few days ago. Enjoy. And that was Gilly Beach in Falmouth. Hopefully you liked this video today. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. And that was Gilly Beach in Falmouth. hopefully you